Welcome, Tom here. In this lesson, I want to show you how easily you can add exit pop-ups to your own website. And the reason you want to add exit pop-ups to your website is because your visitors have decided to leave. The exit pop-up is your last chance to capture them. So essentially, you are converting abandoned visitors into potential leads. So here's what I'm going to use for this. I'm going to use GetResponse. So I'll go to that service. Here I go to Menu, and then I click on Forms and Surveys. And then I can create a form. Here I click on List Builder Apps, and here's the exit pop-up. So I'll click on it. And here's the exit pop-up. So you can change the name of the form. You can select which list to add a subscriber. You can add the subscriber to a follow-up email sequence. But let's have a look at the exit pop-up. So basically, all of these elements, they are editable. You can click and drag to change the position. You can double-click to edit the content. You can change the color schemes, change the fonts, change the size of the fonts. Okay, let's just make this something more neutral, like that. Now for the hover, let's just make it gray. Okay, if you just want to capture the email address, then you can delete this. Actually, let's move this across, like so. Okay, so this is a sample of exit pop-up. So you can generate it using this tool, and then you would click on Save and Publish. You'll have a JavaScript code generated, and then you just have to copy and paste it into your web page. So I won't generate the code for this, but I will use an existing pop-up that I have. So I'll go to Forms. Email marketing opt-in. This is the one that you just saw earlier. Here it is. So I've already set everything up. And one thing you should notice is that this dark background, that's not the default. I had to go here to background and I set it up to be dark because I think it looks better because all of the focus is then on the exit pop-up. Now let's click on Save and Publish. And here is the JavaScript code, which I mentioned earlier. So you would copy this and then you would paste this code anywhere on this website. So I'll show you how I did it. I was using WordPress, so I'll just log into this page. And I was using Elementor. So basically what I did is I added an Elementor element, which was the HTML element. And I just pasted my JavaScript code here. And then when you load my page, the exit pop-up automatically appears. You don't have to use Elementor for this. You can just add the HTML even into a WordPress page or into a post. Or if you are using a different page builder, you can just copy the code anywhere in your page. And that's basically how easily you can add an exit pop-up to your website. If you want to get started setting up your own exit pop-ups, then click the link below this video and you'll be taken to the GetResponse page where you can sign up and then create your own exit pop-ups.